Hello and welcome to our video today on positive and negative numbers. Our two objectives here to recognize positive and negative numbers in context, but also to calculate using positive and negative numbers. So to start with, where do we find negative numbers? Well, there's a number of different contexts. One is temperature, where we've got temperatures above zero and below zero. So anything below zero will become a negative temperature. Also, where you've got a cash overdraft at your bank account, you've got negative numbers there, especially when you're in your overdraft. And then you've also got profit and loss. You can have negative numbers there. And in heights above and below sea level. So here we've got the Dead Sea at minus 1,302 feet below sea level, and we got the Mediterranean Sea there at zero, and also we've got mountains there around that area. So what about calculating changes in temperature? Well, the temperature at 1 p.m. was 22 degrees Celsius, and at 1 a.m. it was minus 5 degrees. What is the difference in temperature? So this seems like a normal summer's day in the UK. So here's our thermometer. Although we have 22 degrees, which as you can see is above the zero, and we have minus 5, which is below zero. And then when we do our calculation, we look at the numbers that are above zero. So here we got 22, and below we have got 5 degrees. So to find the difference in temperature, what we would do is add the two together, 22 add 5, which gives our difference in temperature as 27 degrees C. But what about another context? I have an overdraft facility of £250. I have 653.89 in my bank account. How much do I have available, including the overdraft? Well, we'd look at it in these terms. There's my zero. There's my amount that I've got in. I've got it in the black, 653.89. And below I've got 250. So above zero, I've got 653.89, and below I've got the 250. So I would add the two together to get 903.89. Thank you for watching today. I hope that's helped you with working out negative numbers. Thank you for watching.